Hello lovely people, I hope all of you are doing safe amidst the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Unlike the last video, we are going to keep this video short and simple. However, I would like to thank each and every one of you who took out some time and watched that 21-minute long video we did on the extensive coverage of Moto Monastery. Can't thank you enough. Coming on to today's topic, the importance of a balaclava. But before that, let's learn what exactly is a balaclava. Now, a balaclava is just a full face mask which we riders use before wearing our helmets. The material is usually breathable and it prevents your skin from coming in direct contact with the paddings. Now, this prevents sweat from your face and your hair from coming in contact with the paddings of the helmet, which in return increases the durability and the lifespan of the paddings. It also prevents you from having skin rashes and allergies. So when do you use a balaclava? Well, a balaclava is used mostly during riding a motorcycle. However, I have also read that during racing you are not allowed to use your balaclavas because that might cause slight movement of the helmets and jeopardize the safety of the rider in case of a fall. Because during those races, those crashes happen usually at 200 plus kilometers per hour. Also, a balaclava is used by F1 drivers during races. However, the functionality of a F1 balaclava is completely different than the ones we use. An F1 balaclava is made out of 2 layers of Nomex which prevents the rider's face from catching fire. So an F1 balaclava is used more as a fireproof attire rather than a mask. So how does a balaclava look like? Well, a typical balaclava is nothing but a full face mask and it resembles those worn by ninja warriors. This particular one that I own is from the house of XDI Extreme Dynamics Inc. The fabric is antibacterial, breathable and moisture wicking. It provides excellent UV protection and carries over 50 plus UPV rating. It is made up of soft fabric ensuring pleasant feel to the skin. It absorbs sweat perfectly and it does not allow your helmet to have any bad odor. Now wearing the balaclava is pretty easy. Let me show you. Just have to put it on like any other normal mask. Just have to tuck in your hair a little bit. There you go. That's it. So let me show you how this looks and how you resemble a ninja warrior. And you know, wearing your helmet after you wear your balaclava becomes even more easy. So let's just wear our helmet and see how we look. Just hold your helmet like this on top of your head and drag it down. There you go. It's as easy as that. I'll just pin my strap. There you go. This is how you look when you wear your helmet on top of your balaclava. Nothing much, just a few liners, reflective linings as you see out here. Apart from that, just a normal face mask under your helmet. And now let's see how we look from all the sides. Super comfortable. Coming on to the most important part, the importance of wearing a balaclava. So let's jot down 6 advantages of wearing a balaclava. Increases drying area and provides faster wicking, maintains the core temperature of the rider, increases the durability and lifespan of your helmet paddings, prevents skin allergies and rashes. Wearing a balaclava also makes putting on and removing your helmets pretty easy. Last but not the least, it prevents hair fall while wearing and removing your helmet. Well, it depends on the quality of the material being used. You can get a balaclava as low as Rs 200 from Amazon or any other local shop. But a typical balaclava which I use with all the features that I mentioned previously, the range starts somewhere from 500 rupees. Now the one that I own from XDI costs around 500 rupees and you can get it from any riding gear store, online or offline. Or if you want to source it anywhere in Cuttack or Bhubaneswar or anywhere in Odisha, do check out Mad Biker or Moto Monastery. Both of them are my brothers and they have extensive collection of riding gears in their stores. Do check them out, but yes, do not ask for any discount. Everything is at MRP. I leave the GPS address to their shops in the description box below. Happy shopping. That's all for the video and I hope this helps. And if you like what I'm doing, then do not leave this video without subscribing to the channel. Drop in your comments as to what all videos you want to see in future. And in case you want to reach out to me for any queries or promotions, write to me at the below email ID or simply hit me up on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.